So I'm having a nice little quiet day. I actually come here to buy swimwear. So I've got my nice little red sexy swimwear bought. And then I'm sat under this tree. And so the other night I was smoking spliff. And I dropped my spliff. And then on this is like a little park here in the Yumbo. And this is where they have all the gay prides and everything, right in the square here. Um, and so I dropped my weed and I just found it in the pot. It's like, wait, that looks familiar now. That's mine. Wait. So I found my little split, and it's just a nice little thing to have found it back the next day, completely different. And then I sat here and I realized lots of these birds have come to join me. Well, this is where they dwell actually, but this is one of the spot. This is sort of like where they dwell. I realize, like lots of them are everywhere. Look, see, walking around. And then I thought I didn't go my usual spot for feathers, and I thought, oh, I'm not gonna find any feathers today. And then when I was coming downstairs, there was one left on the stairs. I thought, ooh, you, you silly boy, there's a feather right there for you. And then I come and sat on this tree and I realized the nice brown one in the middle there, if you can see it, was left for me. Now I got to take these all back to my things. I don't want to lose them because when I start to work with them to make some type of headpiece, that's when I'll see what I can make. You know, like they're small and delicate, but they'll go nicely somewhere to make a beautiful little headpiece like this. I'm just sort of playing with them right now to see what they can look like when I structure them and create them. That's when I get to see the beauty. So I find everyone I can find, I pick them up because it's like materials to do something creative with. And until I'm doing it, then I want to see how beautiful and unique each one is for the thing they're going to turn into. I don't know yet, but it's going to be like this. So these lovely little tiny feathers were left under this tree, and I thought I'm getting them all because they're left for me, obviously. Well, that's what I feel. And so I put I come at my rosary, I picked some nice ones from the garden today, and so now if those feathers, if the light comes out, if you get the right angle, you will see they will light up. They will get nice and illuminated because when the birds fly, if you look up, that's how you get to see them because they carry lights in the back of the wings. See there? It looks like white, but it's actually light. It's like the light. That's why it's can go up to the sky to fly. Oh, I don't want to lose any, so I might take them out before I start walking back, so I can put out. Just keep them safe. Right, I thought I'd take a little video with you. I'm just sitting here chilling, calming. It's beautiful, it's lovely, there's nobody around. It's just there's people, but they're sitting at the bars and at the cafes and at whatever. They're not really out yet. But I'm not doing all that cafe business down. I've got a smoothie and I'm having a chill with the nature. Trees are dropping seeds on me and then the birds come around. It's wonderful to just chill. Look, there's a butterfly. Look. Can you see? Oh! Can you see? Look, he's just flying past there. Look. You see, I'm stupid as fuck. Oh! A butterfly is just past. Oh! I should take a smoke for that. Well, if I could find my lighter. Oh my god. Are you gonna watch my stupid videos? Are you watching my stupid videos I put on YouTube? So you don't really have to have all fancy bars and not see me. I'm good like this. There's lots of people by my pool and they're everywhere and the beach and whatever. Yeah. This is good. I'm good with this. This is a nice holiday. I sit on the